So this is my 1980 Kenmore microwave. As you can see, it's definitely old. I picked this up for 40 bucks after my second Panasonic in 5 years that I bought new broke, and I said I want an old one that works. So to get a sense of size for this thing, it weighs 70 pounds. It is huge. I found the original booklet online for it. So this one had the meat probe on it. I didn't get the meat probe thing with it where you can plug it in and do temp cooking. Look at this door. Like, this looks like a nuclear missile. This screen is actually pretty bright. It's daytime, but you can't really see it, but there's some of its various options. The only thing, it had a little bit of missing chrome, which I kind of fixed there. Actually got it from these people that were renovating their house, and they got new appliances, and the people who had their house, they were very meticulous about everything. So we will turn this around, if I can get it turned around, and check out the specs. So that's the back. September 1981. Man. That's the vent thing. Ugh. So anyway, it's 625 watts, which is not very much power by today's standards, but it does work really well. I've been using it now for like 3 months. Just listen to that door. So let's heat up a cup of coffee here. Probably about 40 seconds in this. There we go. So this doesn't have a turntable. It has a stir fan, which is located under this little door. Yes, I apologize, my microwave is not particularly clean right now. It was very clean when I got it, but anyway, take this out. And you can see there's a fan that stirs your cooking, which is really cool versus a turntable. Anyway, that is my Kenmore 9971 model solid state microwave video.